The mean temperature of Monday to Wednesday was 37 and of Tuesday to Thursday was 34. If the temperature on Thursday was 4/5 that of Monday, the temperature on Thursday was. Now, the mean temperature of Monday to Wednesday was 37. So therefore, we can write down the equation as Monday plus Tuesday plus Wednesday's temperature will be 37 into 3. It will be multiplied by 3 because there are 3 days, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So 37 threes are, we get the answer as 111. Now, Tuesday plus Wednesday plus Thursday will be 34 multiplied by 3 because there are 3 days again, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and mean or average is given to us as 34. So 34 into 3, we get the answer as 102. Now, if we subtract the second equation from the first, we can cancel out Tuesday and Wednesday. So the equation becomes Monday minus Thursday is equal to 9. Now, further, it is specifically given here that Thursday was 4/5 that of Monday. So Thursday was 4/5 of Monday. So if we substitute this in the equation, it will become m minus 4/5 of Monday is equal to 9. So therefore, if we solve this, we get the answer as m upon 5 is equal to 9. So therefore, Monday's temperature comes out to be 9 fives are 45. Now the question asked is temperature on Thursday. Now Thursday is 4/5 of Monday, so therefore it will become 4 by 5 into 45. 5 nines are 45. So therefore Thursday's temperature comes out to be 36 degrees. So that will be our answer.